Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this curly bun on long fine hair. To start, I'm going to divide the hair straight across from the end of the eyebrow height and pop that top section into a ponytail. Just clip this out of the way for now, and we're going to divide the rest of the hair in half and then tie each half into another ponytail about top of ear height. So you should have one ponytail on the top and two at the bottom. Apply some spray wax over the top of the head. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair around the crown for some more volume and texture. I'm adding some heat protective spray to the ponytails, and I'm going to divide each ponytail into 3 sections and curl each section. Then just repeat this on all 3 ponytails. Now I'm going to add some dry texture spray all over those curls. Again, I'll pop this in the description. And I've taken a bun donut and cut it up, and I'm just going to fold this into a round shape and pop it in the middle of all 3 ponytails. Then secure around the outside with a few bobby pins. Starting with that top ponytail, we're going to divide it in half, and I'm just going to wrap one section around the other to create a twist, and every time I do this I'm going to divide off a tiny piece of hair and let it drop down out of the twist. So wrap the sections around each other, divide off a bit of hair and let it drop down. Do this all the way to the end of the hair and secure with a clear elastic band. Then create the same twists on the remaining 2 ponytails. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, starting with that top twist, I'm going to gently pinch and pull for more volume. And then I'm going to take the twist from the right hand side over to the left hand side across the top of the padding, tucking the ends underneath. Then secure it to the padding with a few bobby pins. Take that bottom right hand twist, and again we're going to pinch and pull for more volume. And we're going to take this from the right hand side of the head over to the left side and secure with a few bobby pins. Tuck those ends underneath the padding and again secure with a pin or 2. I'm just going to move these little pieces of hair out the way, and we're going to take that last twist, pinch and pull for volume, and then we're going to take it from the left hand side over to the right hand side, tucking the ends underneath and securing with a few bobby pins. With those curls, we're just going to pin them into the bun where they look nice. So just use your eye for this one. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.